Still we are creating an image. Let's wait until the image come up. Now I have a golden image. Golden image is nothing but a baked image. Using this baked image, what I can do, I can launch one more operating system. And that operating system, I'll say and name it as KS Node 2. Node 1 is a controller machine. Node 2 will be node machine. Node 1, Node 2, Node 3, and so on. So one I need master, the other are worker nodes. So what I will do now, one instance is already running here. One instance is running. And this instance is going to be my controller plane. What I did on this instance, I have executed some set of commands until certain step. Until Kubernetes installation, I did. That means until this step, we will do the same thing as part of other operating system when you're going to add them as a worker node. But you need to take one of the instance and make this red color layer. This red color layer is nothing but a Kubernetes cluster. Did I log into the Linux machine? Yeah, here I logged into the Linux machine. You can check basic things. Where am I? So I'm on which operating system? And you can check the operating system name and everything. Version. You are at Ubuntu user, home directory, and you have nothing here apart from hidden content. Whatever you see, it's hidden content. When do you get that content? When you add A option. For LRTA, you see hidden content. Here, we are going to set up a cluster. On this machine, we are going to set up a cluster. For that, you must execute commands. You are a Ubuntu user. We checked all these commands. Now we are going to execute this particular command. To do what? To create a cluster. Kubeadm space init initialize -- control -- plane -- endpoint. And this is the hostname I configured. So what I suggest, take this command, go to your operating system. Before you fire it, first you take the comment, check the host name, KSavCP.cloudbrain.io. Yeah, it's matching. When it is matching, just validate and execute it. Failing back to, okay, it's not coming up. So we must stop this instance in order to ramp up, means T2.micro. You must increase it to 2-core processor at 2 GB RAM. As of now, 1-core processor, 1 GB RAM. When you try to create a cluster, it is not coming up. It is throwing an error because there is not enough CPU, there is no enough RAM. So to increase resources in AWS for a specific instance, what we did, we stopped the instance. Before you start it, you have to change the instance type by going to the instance settings, change instance type from T2.micro to T2.medium you should go. Remove this, T2.medium. You need to select this. When you select this, what is happening? From 1 core to 2 core, from 1 GB to 4 GB. Successfully, we have upgraded from 1 core to 2 core, 1 GB to 4 GB. And start the instance. We will be refiring. We are going to re-execute this command again once the instance is up. Instance is coming up now. Let's connect this instance with the help of EC2 Instance Connect or System Manager. It is a Linux operating system. On this machine, we have not configured Kubernetes cluster. We're yet to do. Before we do that, we are checking where we are, who we are, where we are, and what we have. including hidden content, we are checking it. Then we are going to fire the command. And nothing but we are setting up cluster. One 1.28 Kubernetes has been installed on this. Now we are setting up cluster. Successfully, we have created a cluster, and we need to set up few things. Before that, you need to copy this configuration. You need to copy this configuration and save it in some secure location because you need this configuration for future use.